Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I go through the adventure of putting some graphics on my car and a couple other little touches. Thanks for coming, stay tuned. Hey, welcome back guys. So today decided to take this plain but awesome looking 1320. Love the way the factory does their thing. And put the old Mopar E-Touch on it. So got on my old interwebs and did a couple clicks. I got some seatbelt covers here with the embroidered 1320 off of Amazon. Got them for 14 bucks. These things are super nice quality for 14 bucks, and that was shipped. And then I got some graphics, trying to find their card here, from Decalomaniac. These are high quality. These are super, super nice graphics. Really high quality vinyl. Yeah, just the quality is super nice. I've ordered some before that weren't very good. And then I got onto American Muscle, another place I go, and grabbed some black lug nuts. I just think that changing these out is going to change even a little more of the attitude, make it a little more mine. So you can see that's going to look pretty good. Stay tuned. The first thing I do whenever I'm putting graphics on a car is just kind of a dry layout. So I'm looking at maybe putting a 392 there or possibly here. But the first step for me is to lay it all out and then find out position that I think looks best. I don't think I like them down above the tire, but I think right up along that side of the hood looks pretty sweet. And then I laid this out. I think I'm gonna have that Hemi right there. And then I'm gonna do the 1320 on the back, which is going to be that little sticker there, but a whole lot bigger. Still trying to find a place that has it. I know there's some custom places that'll make it. Some buddies on the 1320 Club on Facebook hooked me up with a place to get them done. And then I believe I may get a Mopar sticker like the Drag Pack edition cars and put a Mopar sticker right on the bumper. So, all right, I'm gonna get into this and kind of do a little step by step. Oh, I do have one more thing that's going to go around the gas cap that I'll show you once I get to that part. Thanks, guys. Okay, so I started with the easiest one first. Little give me fuel, give me fire. So there's how that one turned out. Looks pretty good, I think. I attempted to put the 392 on the hood as I originally discussed, but lesson learned, don't put it on a hot car. I didn't realize how hot the hood was, and when I laid it down, yeah, it just kind of went to poop. So that's gonna not happen. I'll have to figure out another thing to do. I'll be moving on to installing the Hemi strikes here on the side, and we'll go ahead and strap these things in and see how they look. Stay tuned. I gotta say, that's just a cool little touch. I like it. I may switch around the other way. Let me see here. Yeah, when it goes across your body, it'll be upside down. So let's see. It's pretty hard to install. You just take and Velcro, flip it around, wrap it back around there while you try to look through the camera. Voila. So now when you put it on, 1320s across your chest, that's gonna be pretty smooth. Okay, so I got one done. Just go ahead and swap these out. I left the top one fully tightened, this one here. I'm just doing one at a time. Try to be gentle so I don't scratch these. I don't know if you guys know, but they're really easy to scratch. And especially if you barely bump a curb, you get rash. Eventually I will either replace it or try and find a place to have it fixed, but all right, I don't want to sit and bore you guys with me putting lug nuts in, but you get the gist. And always use a handy dandy torque wrench. I'll be right back. Just want to do a little before and after. Here's before. Get a good look at the profile of it, see how it looks. And then this. So here's what it looks like afterwards. To me, it looks more finished, more complete. I'm not sure. I'm sure there's a reason why they went with the other style, but for me, it makes it look like they completed the car with these black ones. I know some people like the look of the other ones, but for me, I wanted to be a little bit different. So if you see these, it's either me or somebody else who had the same idea. So back to the graphics. Woo! Oh. Yeah, I went to lay the graphics on there, and despite my best cleaning efforts and my attention to detail with trying to lay the graphics down, as soon as I got the bottom edge, because I started at the bottom edge and then I worked my way up slowly, as soon as I got the bottom edge on there, I started to bring it up. The top edge fell off and wrapped on top of itself, destroying the vinyl. So I don't know if I just got a vinyl kit that had been sitting on a shelf for a long time and I'm just a dummy who ended up buying it, or if it was bad, but yeah, that didn't work out, and same with the 392. So let that be a lesson to you guys that I learned the hard way, and I know there's nothing I can do, and it's probably going to happen to somebody else out there, but it's unfortunate. I've changed the design of what I want to do. I want to pay homage to some of the older vehicles, and I'll have another video coming up once I get all that stuff worked out. Oh, before I go, let me show you the other side here of this. Yep, there it is. These things are very nice. They're very comfortable. I've been using them for a week now, and it's just one of those added little touches. I'm loving it. So do yourself a favor and pick up some. They're real cheap, like I said, 14 bucks on Amazon. Hopefully they haven't gone up. Thank you guys for watching these videos. I appreciate you so much. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. Check out my merch store and join me for the next one. We'll see you later.